Today we're going to be making some sausages with our seasoned meat, and we're going to use my newly discovered halal certified Fairsky edible collagen casings. So let's start. So this is our warm water. We're going to soak it for 3 minutes. So you can actually decide how long would you like it to be. So let's just try a little bit of this first. So this is how it looks like. And then you'll just cut it like that. There you go. Alexa, set timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
That's our timer. This is how it looks like after 3 minutes. So my husband said to tie one tip of it first. Okay, there you go. So this is our seasoned meat. The casing is actually a little bit stretchy, so you won't have any problem putting it on the extension. We already stuffed everything in here. We're ready to fill. Okay, I think that's enough. That's it. So this is it. Close it like that. So this is how it looks like. We're going to cook it in the cast iron pan. So I just cook it with a low to medium heat. This is how it looks like. And I will let my husband try it first and we'll see what he says.
The casing is very thin. You don't even notice it.
So let me try it out. Oh yeah. Yeah, the casings are really like, you can't notice it. It's almost not there. It's very thin. I have not used it all, so I'm just going to store it in the fridge. It actually has a best by date of within 3 years, so we're going to make more of this. I am pretty sure of that.